What is that? Wait, what? In this video, I followed a voiceover of a nail art tutorial by Cute Polish. Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. Let's dive right into the challenge. So my brother picked out the tutorial so I wouldn't see the thumbnail or what the finished look is supposed to be. What's the video called?
5 easy nail art designs using household items.
Alright, and as you can see, the screen is dark, so I'm not going to see it. So yeah, let's start. Okay.
Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's video, Hannah will be showing you 5 easy nail art designs.
5 easy nail art designs.
Using common items found around
Using
your
common
house.
items. Okay.
Hit that like button if you love household item nail art.
Hi, it's Hannah. I'm so happy that you're joining us today, so why don't we just get right into it. To start, apply a base coat to help protect your nail.
Oh, good idea. For base coat, I'm going to use Elmer's glue, which peels off very well.
The first design is inspired by acid wash.
What is that?
Acid wash, acid wash.
Acid wash.
I'll be using blue and white polish.
Blue and white
with
polish.
White as the base color.
Okay. White as the base color. Easy peasy.
Then apply a fast drying top coat.
Then apply a fast drying top coat. Alright, here's my Seche Vite top coat. Alrighty, what's next?
Let dry, then apply a layer of blue over the entire nail.
What? Let dry and then apply a layer of blue over the entire nail? Okay. She didn't say whether she wanted light blue or dark blue, so I'll pick I'll go with my light blue. Okay, let's cover up this. I really wonder what's going on here. Alright, Cute Polish, what's next?
Once dry, take a Q-tip dipped in acetone and carefully rub off parts of the blue polish to create the effect. Make sure to not press down too hard so you don't.
Okay, so I'm going to take, I have a Q-tip and I have some acetone in my very dirty glass. Carefully rub off parts of the blue polish to create the effect. Okay. Wow, it looks like a blue sky with clouds in it. This is looking interesting. Alright, I guess I'm happy with this. Let's see what's next.
Next up, we have a DIY.
Wait, that was it? Alright, it looks like an alternate way to create a cloudy day nail.
Next up, we have a DIY heart stencil using a berry red and pink glitter polish.
DIY
with red
heart
as
stencil.
The base color.
Red as the base color. And if you're wondering why I didn't take off all the nail polish on this nail, it's because this nail is tearing, so I'm letting it have some strength by building up a few layers of nail polish.
Grab a piece of painter's tape and fold it in half.
Grab a piece of painter's tape and fold it in half. Well, I guess I need to get some painter's tape. Alright, I couldn't find any painter's tape, but I'm going to try using Scotch tape and just take away some stickiness by putting on the back of my hand and see if that helps.
Now slowly cut out a half heart shape. You can also use Scotch or masking tape, but I find painter's tape works the best for me, especially since it doesn't pull off the polish when removed. Peel apart the tape to find your heart stencil.
Peel apart the tape to find your heart stencil. Wow, there it is. I found it.
Now trim around it, leaving one side long.
There we go.
Place the stencil on the nail and apply the glitter polish over the heart shape. Remove the tape before the polish dries.
Remove the tape before the polish dries. Look at that. Oopsies, it tore. There, got it. Look at that. That's so perfect. That came out really perfectly, didn't it? Hey guys, I have a question for you. Have you ever done a nail art challenge? And how did it go? I'd love to hear all about it in the comments. Alrighty, what's next?
Now we have a quick and easy dry marble design using silver, pink, and gray polish.
Silver, pink, and gray polish. Silver, pink, and gray polish. I don't really have like a gray polish, but I have this metallic and I have this hollow. Maybe I can use these two for the silver and gray.
Take a plastic sandwich bag and apply blobs of each color to the bag. Use a toothpick to swirl them together slightly. Next, use a small paintbrush to pick up some of the polish and gently apply it to the...
Oh, I think I've done this before. So you kind of like scoop up the colors and then you paint it on. I like the color choices. I actually don't mind that. Alright, what's the next design?
The fourth design will be for some easy zigzags using green and navy blue polish with green as the base color.
Green and navy blue. Green as the base color. So again, I have a light and a dark green. I'm going to go with the dark green. Oh wait, it's green and navy blue? I think it would be better contrast if I use the light green actually. Green as the base color.
Take painter's tape again and cut 3 sharp angles.
Take painter's tape again. Cut 3 sharp angles. Wait, if this is supposed to be a zigzag, then... So I'm guessing since it's a zigzag, we need to cut the tape in a zigzag shape, right? There, kind of like that, I guess.
Place them going across and down the nail.
Place them going across and down the nail. Like this.
Now apply the navy polish over the entire nail, then remove the tape right after for the cleanest lines.
Now apply the navy polish over the entire nail. Okay. I don't need to apply over the entire nail. I'll just do it to the parts where it shows, right? Then remove the tape. Okay, yep, there we go. We got ourselves a blue and green zigzag there.
Clean up around the nail with a pointed cotton applicator and polish remover.
I think this looks pretty clean already. Alrighty.
Last but not least, I'll be doing some magical hollow nails using pink, purple, and holographic glitter polish.
Pink, purple, and holographic glitter polish. What? Pink, purple, and those are holographic. Pink, purple, and holographic glitter polish with the pink as the base color? What? What's holographic glitter polish? Is that your regular silver hollow? Well, it says pink as the base color. I'm not sure if they want me to use a regular creme pink or a hollow pink. I think they want creme pink, so... Alrighty.
I'm going to apply liquid latex around the nail.
Alright, she's going to apply liquid latex. I guess I should too.
Use an eyeshadow applicator to sponge on the purple polish to the tip of the nail. An eyeshadow
applicator. I don't have that exact thing right now, but this small piece of sponge should do the trick. So sponge on the purple polish to the tip of the nail. And now again we have a choice, light or dark purple. I'm gonna go dark. And I'm just going to put a little on the end of my sponge and sponge it on to the tip. Alrighty.
Now use the other side to sponge on the pink to help blend the colors a little bit.
I think the colors are pretty well blended here, but alright, we'll do what they want.
Now remove the latex or scotch tape if that's what you're using. Now apply the holographic glitter.
Does she mean a holographic top coat? Well, this is really hollow glitter, so I think I'll just apply that. That'll be fine. Wow, pretty.
Finally, apply a fast drying top coat to help protect your design and add a beautiful shine.
Alright, so now I'm going to turn on the screen and see how I did. I'm going to compare my version with hers and see how I did. I think this will be really fun, so let's see. Wait, what? Oh no. Okay, let's start with the first one. Acid wash? Oh, I should have used a darker blue. They used a darker blue. Whoopsies. I'll give myself a 4 out of 5 because if I just used a darker blue, then it would basically look almost exactly like this one. Ooh, I think that one came out pretty good, the heart one. I'll give myself a 5 out of 5. I mean, it's basically as close as I could replicate it. For this one, they look like they use more gray than pink, so I'll give myself a 4 out of 5. I mean, it's almost like it. The coloring is a little bit off, but yeah, pretty close. Okay, for this zigzag one, I totally failed. About the sharp angles, I didn't think it would be like this sharp of an angle. I just thought it meant like sharp angle, you know? And then it said zigzag, so I was like, yeah, this is zigzag, right? I'm going to give myself a 3 out of 5. Not quite it. Magical hollow. I'm going to give myself a 4 out of 5 for this one also. They had more of a chunkier glitter, so it's easier to see the hollow in it than it is for mine, but I still think it's pretty close. Well, this was pretty fun, and I'd like to give a shout out to Andy's Crafting Universe who suggested this video idea. And I still can't believe it's October, it's fall, so hit the notification bell because in my next video, I'm going to show you 3 hairstyles that would be perfect for fall. A little bit of a different video, but it's fun to try out different things, isn't it? Alright Josh, so what's the name of the video?
5 easy nail art.
You're supposed to put it in front of me while you're saying. Okay. So my brother helped. My brother Joss helped. No, come on, be serious.
And it's actually backwards.
Oh, you're right. For a complete collection of all my nail art tutorials, check below in the description for the playlist. On Instagram at thepolishedqueen15, I post almost daily with nail art I do that I don't feature in my videos. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it below. If you're new here and like to keep in touch, subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. EST. And comment below, do you want to see more nail art challenges? I look forward to seeing your comments and giving responses as well. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You're really the best and have a magical day.